Trubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Welcome, sir.
Hi.
Menteri Rangba kejala ukon rat ke sangma henne kano phai singi jong ka khat khandai teri unailar ulawan pan play ya ka computer lab ha Mawlai Presbyterian College la ban kedau baya kani ka computer lab lala ban pinyo ha kani ka college Lyngba ka Chief Minister's Special Development Fund ne ka Cmsdf ka balong khandai lak 90,000 sans pa tingka ukon rat sama haba jingkran ha kani ka singi ulapan pau ba ka sarkar ka don ya ka thong ban pinkiu bha ya ka islam puli ha ka jala ha ka jog apor une Menteri Rangba ka jala ulapin penaru ba Lyngba ka Cmsdf unsano senyang sa sipolak tingka na ka benta ka building fund bat pen benaru ban ai shu sa lailak tingka na ka benta ban thit ya ki tiar tem na ka benta ki sama puli jong kane ko college ha kane ka singi na lord Menteri Rangba lai don lang ru ki pastor ki temasan jong ka balang Presbyterian Mawlai lembat ki nong hikai ki samla puli jong kane ko college ki nong sensasnong ka Mawlai nongkwar bat UMDC bariam ka Mawlai constituency ubat tebor pathau balapnya yak ni ka jingalang da utamasan Dr. RM Mani.
In my last visit, I remember Batevor had mentioned and the principal had mentioned about the requirement for certain computers, and therefore through my Chief Minister's special grant I have sanctioned approximately 10 lakh rupees, and I'm happy that with that the computers have been bought, and I'm sure that this will be very, very important and play a key role in the necessary requirements that are there for the students, and I really hope that the students will use this in the best possible manner. As you all know that education is in fact being a very, very important aspect of our governance. While it is one of the key areas for us as a government and as a society, it also happens to be one of the most challenging sectors for us as a state. And we have large number of layers and layers of problems when it comes to education in our state. And untangling these knots and streamlining the education system is maybe one of the most difficult tasks that we have as a government today. We have challenges in every sector, but education has got, I think, all the challenges put together. I think education still has more challenges as a sector for us. Just to give an example to you, which a lot of you may not know, that Meghalaya has about close to 15,000 schools and institutes and educational setups, compared to, say, a state like Manipur, which is of the same size as us, where the population is same, and they have 4,000 institutes, schools. So we have 14,000 and Manipur has 4,000. So hence the number of teachers is even more, the number of schools are more. There are large number of schools where there are just 2-3 students who are studying, and yet they have about 4-5 students, 4-5 teachers who are teaching out there. There are schools which have not had a single pass percentage or student passing in the last 3 to 4 years also. So like that, there are layers and layers of challenges that we face. Meghalaya may be the only state in the northeast that gives a huge amount of support to the different schools run by managing committees of private schools in the form of ad hoc grant and deficit grant. And just to give you an idea, that Mizoram has maybe about 30-40 schools that are supported by the government. Nagaland has maybe 2-3 of them. Manipur 0, Tripura 0, Arunachal Pradesh 0. And in Meghalaya we support about 7,000 schools, giving a salary of close to 1,200 crores every year as ad hoc grant and as deficit grant. To give an idea to what that means, for our state-run schools, we spend approximately 600 crores. But for private-run schools, in terms of ad hoc and deficit grant, we pay double of that, of almost 1200 crores. And salaries put together for education system alone comes up to about 2400 crores, 2400 crores out of the 30,000 crores of budget that we have goes into salaries of teachers of different levels. So that's the kind of money we spent on education, but yet we are not able to get the desired results out because the complexity of the structures that have been created, of the different kind of systems that have been created is so complexly entangled that it is taking a lot of time for us to untangle it. And obviously there's a lot of organizational aspects to it, a lot of associations of schools and teachers which of course have their own concerns, and while balancing those concerns we need to try and address the large issues that we have. For all the work that we are doing and the dedication that you have given, especially to the youth of this area and the state as a whole. And I know that running an institute is not easy and there will be numerous challenges that you face, but I'm sure that with the support of the society, with the support of the church and a little support from the state government, we will overcome those challenges. And in the future also, we will do our best to ensure that we can support you even more.